Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make this bucket, which is basically very simple. We will use just few commands, and after that we will see this small animation which is made inside the assembly, and we will apply some color combination to make it look good. Okay, let me start the video. I'll start this drawing with a simple sketch. I'm selecting the front plane, you can select any. I'm making the circle. Let's assign some dimension to it. I'm making the base of the bucket. I'm making of 100 mm. Okay, now let me extrude this, but while extruding I am selecting this draft outward. First let me assign height. I will make the height of the bucket to 200 mm. Look, it is simply looking like a pie mesh, but I don't want bucket of this type, so I am making it draft outward, because the bucket has the smaller diameter in bottom and has a larger diameter at the top, and I am assigning the value of around 15 degree so that it looks like actual a bucket. And I am using thin feature. Okay, let's not use thin feature, I will sell that afterward. Okay, with this I completed the basic structure. Now let me sell this. I am using the sell feature here. I am using the thickness of the bucket to be 5 mm. Let me sell from this face and through all, and look, this bucket is created. The cell dimension is a bit more. Yes, let me reduce this. I am making it of just 2 mm. 2 mm will be also enough. Okay, look, 2 mm, it is fine, it is looking fine. Okay, let me assign. Now let me make some more adjustment here. Let me place two holder in two side of this, where we will insert some pipes or some steel wire frame so that we can hook over it. Okay, for that I have to make something in this face and in this face. For that I have to make some plane in that face, or basically at last I can simply use the offset from I can make sketch in this plane and simply offset from the base as well. Okay, now I am making a plane. To make the plane, click Ctrl and drag this plane. Okay, as I have inserted the diameter of my top circle to be okay, and place it exactly in this face. Okay, and look, here it is showing 100 point something. Let's overwrite it with 100 mm so that this plane comes within this frame. And now let me sketch in this frame. I'm making the sketch. Look, it is looking up or down. Okay, this will have nothing will be happen. Okay, let's create something over here, so from which we can hook our this bucket. Let me draw some sketch here. This will be my mid plane. So from the distance between these two, I am assigning it to the value of 30, and this I am assigning it 15, so that it lies completely at the center of our frame. And the maximum height, okay, let's put up to here. I am making it 15. One thing you have to keep in mind every time you draw some sketch is to make sure that your sketch is fully defined. Okay, now my sketch is fully defined. I am making some small circle here. I am making the whole of around 10 mm over here. Okay, let's do this. Now let's extrude this. Okay, just 5 mm will be fine. 5 mm is also looking big. Okay, let's make it. Okay, the thickness of our bucket is 2 mm, so I am making this of 3 mm. Okay, a bit heavier than that. Okay, let me finish this. See, I have created this over here. Let me mirror this so that it comes to another side as well. Mirror. Go to bodies to mirror and select this body and click on OK. See, okay, let's hide this plane. I no longer need this plane. This match is completed. Okay, now the next thing will be to create a circle over in this face. Okay, let's create that as well. Let me click on sketch over this frame, and I will simply offset entity, as I have my circle present over here already. let me do this again. Okay, let's select in this plane and go to convert entity. But okay, first I made that, no, so that the entity is not being properly converted, only half of the service is being converted. Okay, let me delete this and let me draw one circle by myself. Come out of this offset entity tool, select this plane, click on sketch, and I am making a circle over here. Okay, why I am making circle over here? You'll see. Okay, you will get that. Just a minute. Let's go to feature, go to sweep wash base, and go to circular profile, diameter 10 mm. Okay, let's select it at 8 mm. Where is my circular profile? Okay, this is my circular profile. Look, 1. Okay, let's write is 10 mm. Okay, it is looking good. I think now it is seeming like a bucket S. Okay, let's do the same thing in the base as well. I'm making you used to with the basic tools of the SolidWorks in this drawing. Okay, I am not making that heavy sketch or anything. I created a sketch. Let me again go to the sweep base. I am making you used to with the use of the various basic tool of the SolidWorks. Okay, let's make this a bit smaller. I am making it to 6 mm. Okay. See, now our sketch is almost ready. Let's. Okay, I think it is fine. It is looking fine. Yes, everything is looking fine. Okay, let's save this. Let's save this. Okay, well, let's go to the SolidWorks. Okay, let's save it within this folder. Bucket. Okay. Now I am making a handle. I will make a handle, but okay, let's make a handle. Not in the front plane. We have to. Let's select the right plane. Sketch. Okay, I need this plane. Let me select this. Now I am making the sketch over here. Let's draw some line. Okay, I draw. Okay, that will be fine. Don't worry. Now I am making a handle. Okay, let's place some handle in this sketch. Okay, let's make it normal. Let's draw arc. Again, let's do the same thing that we did in opposite corner. Okay, let's assign the value 5. Let's make it 6. Let's make it 8. Let's make it 3. Let's do the same thing in this as well. 8, 6, and simply 3. Okay, let's do the same thing again. Let's make a sweep wash base. Go to this, first go to the circular profile and select your entire sketch. Assign the value 8 mm. Okay, it is looking so awkward as 6 now. 4 is also looking a bit bigger. Let's try with 3. Okay, I think 3 is fine. Okay, let's confirm this. Look, the handle is also ready, but it is misplaced. Okay, I have to make it a bit downward. Let's go to sketch, edit sketch. Okay, let's do a thing. Let's drag this up to here. It's also okay. Same thing happened over here. Okay, let me come out of this. Now it is looking fine. This hole is looking a bit bigger. Yes. Okay, let's change this. Let's make it a bit smaller. This is 10. Okay, let's go with 7 and rebuild. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, now I'm doing one thing. I will now make this sweep into a new part. Insert into a new part. Okay, so that I can create some small sort of animation with the help of this. Let me save this. Hold it. Okay, done. Let me create an assembly. Let me insert component, my bucket. Sorry. Yes, bucket. But in this bucket, what I have to do, let me delete this. And let me hide this. Because I no longer require that. Because I am inserting that as a new component. So that I can animate it. Insert component, hold it. Here it is. Click on this page, click on this page, click on this page, and click on this page and make them concentric. Now let's align its plane with our actual drawing as well, so that it comes exactly at the center. Let's work with its top plane, and let's go to this and top plane of this as well and make them concentric. Look there, it came perfectly at the middle, and I just wanted to show you this thing. Okay, see, this thing is happening. Let me assign some color to it. Okay, let's assign red to my topmost and bottommost section. Sweep again this same red color to my this bottom sweep. Now let's do a thing. Let's insert some organic colors and then go to sky, light cloud. Yes, this will make it look so pleasing. Okay, but it is looking good. I don't think so. For bucket, that color is too heavy. Let's try some liquid. No. Let's go to water and go to still water. Okay, this is looking good. I guess in bucket to still water. Yes, let's change the outer surface. Let's make it some plastic, and no, not plastic. Let's make it metal. Okay, and then brass, polished brass. The outer will be our polished brass. Okay, let's come to our handles. Let's assign some color to this. Let's go to copper and polished copper. Entire body. Okay. This bronze is looking too heavy. Let's change this. Magnesium. Okay. This is looking fine. Our brass was okay. Cast brass. Okay, this is also looking nice. Okay, look, let's finish this. This is what we are going to create it in this drawing. And see, simple this animation was also good. I was trying to create this thing